Hi, I'm the co-founder of Panduola Tech. In this video, I want to show you more about our lab environment, our products, and how we think about quality for liquid quick couplings. For many B2B customers, the biggest concern is not only price. The real question is, can this product work reliably in my project? A quick coupling may look like a small component, but in a liquid cooling system, it plays an important role. If the product is not suitable, it may create leakage risk, connection problems, unstable sealing, or project delays. That is why we take product matching and quality communication seriously. When we look at the liquid quick couplings, we do not only look at the outside appearance, we pay attention to the structure, the sealing area, the thread, the connection size, the material, the surface finish, and whether the product matches the actual working condition. Different projects may have different requirements. Some customers care more about pressure. Some care more about fluid compatibility. Some care more about size, installation space, or repeated connection and disconnection. So before we recommend a product, we prefer to understand the application first. For example, working pressure, fluid type, temperature range, connection method, tube size, material requirement, and expected quantity. These details help us avoid wrong recommendations. Our lab and product checking process are not just for display. They help us look at the product more carefully, compare details, and communicate clearly with customers before an order moves forward. For small and mid-sized B2B customers, this is especially important. Many projects start with a sample, a small batch, or a technical question. At this stage, customers need a supplier who can respond quickly, explain clearly, and help them reduce uncertainty. We may not be the biggest supplier in the market, but we try to be practical and responsible. If a product is suitable, we will explain why. If something may not match your application, we will also try to point it out clearly. We believe long-term cooperation is built by stable products, honest communication, and doing the small details well. Our goal is simple. We want customers to feel more confident when they choose liquid quick couplings from Panduola Tech. If you are working on a liquid cooling project and want to check product options, samples, or technical details, feel free to contact us. Panduola Tech, liquid cooling quick couplings, practical support, clear communication, and reliable cooperation.